Hello and welcome to Laser Skincare. I'm Dr. David Main, and this morning I'll be demonstrating to you the Fraxel Restore Laser. Now, the Fraxel Restore Laser was the first of the fractional lasers, and we've been using it at Laser Skincare since 2006. We love our Fraxel Restore Laser, and in particular we use it for difficult pigmentation conditions. So this morning we're going to show you a treatment with the Fraxel Laser, and we have Priscilla here who's going to demonstrate the treatment for hormonal pigmentation. Now, this is a very common condition and something that's well treated with the Fraxel Laser. So let's get on and see that treatment now. So Priscilla, we'll start with this treatment. We'll do your right cheek to start with. Yeah? So just to turn a little bit to the left there for us. This is a slight prickly sensation as we do this. All right with that? So you can see the skin becomes somewhat reddened from the treatment and maybe a little bit swollen as well. But those changes are only fairly mild, and it's not a particularly painful treatment either, fortunately. So we pass the Fraxel laser over the skin in a number of passes to build up a good final even result. At the end of the day, we're covering about 35 to 40% of the skin surface area, and you will notice that this exfoliates in a fine sandpaper-like way on the third day after your treatment. This carries a lot of the pigmentation with it and leads to a lovely improvement in the surface colour and texture of the skin. Of course, with hormonal pigmentation, you have to be very careful afterwards to avoid the sun, as it has a strong tendency to reoccur.